Welcome to day 6. For the past 5 days, you've been building a way of seeing. How to distinguish what you control from what you don't. How to prepare for the day and review it. How to be present in what you're doing. And how to notice when you're living for other people's approval. Today is about something slightly different. A tool for making decisions when things feel unclear. The Stoics identified 4 qualities that they considered the foundation of a well-lived life, and they called them the cardinal virtues: wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance. And I know the word virtue sounds a bit heavy and old-fashioned, but the way the Stoics used it was entirely practical. These were not moral ideals to aspire to in some vague way. They were questions you could ask about any decision you were facing, and the answers tended to cut through confusion faster than anything else. Wisdom means seeing things as they actually are, rather than as you wish they were or as you're afraid they might be. It's the ability to look at a situation without distorting it to fit what you'd prefer to believe. Justice means treating the people involved fairly, including the ones who aren't in the room and can't advocate for themselves. Courage means being willing to do the thing even when it's difficult, socially expensive, or uncomfortable. And temperance means proportion, making sure your response fits the situation, rather than overshooting or undershooting because your emotions got involved. When you run a difficult decision through these 4, something interesting tends to happen. You stop going round in circles about what to do and start seeing clearly what's actually in the way. And what's in the way is almost always one of 2 things: fear or convenience. Either you know what the right course is, but it's frightening, or you know what it is, but a different option is easier. Both of those are worth seeing clearly, because once you see them, you can decide whether to let them run your choices or not. So the exercise for today is to take one decision you've been putting off, and most people have at least one, something they know they need to deal with, but keep postponing because it feels complicated or uncomfortable, and run it through the 4. Is this wise? Meaning, am I seeing the situation clearly? Is it just? Meaning, is it fair to everyone involved? Does it require courage? And if so, is that why I'm hesitating? And is it proportionate? Meaning, is this an appropriate response? Or am I either overreacting or avoiding the issue entirely? You don't need 4 perfect answers. Sometimes the wise thing isn't the courageous thing, and you have to choose. But the exercise strips away the vague unease of decision-making, and most people find that the answer was already there. They just hadn't looked at it from the right angle. Tonight, read this. It's based on what Epictetus wrote. The chief task in life is simply this: to identify and separate matters, so that I can say clearly to myself which are externals not under my control, and which have to do with the choices I actually control. Then do your evening review, and I'll see you tomorrow.